unlocks the future.
Alright guys, today we are going to unbox the EMPORIO Armani's smartwatch, and I've purchased this smartwatch from Amazon. I'll keep the link below in the description. We get this booklet. Wow, the presentation of the watch itself feels premium. As you can see here, you can see the pouch of the EMPORIO Armani's watch. This leather feels very good. Quick start guide. And this is the warranty booklet. Now let's open this pouch. As you can see here you go. Here we have the watch itself. As you can see here, this is the EMPORIO Armani's Smartwatch 3. Let's peel the sticker off. And we have also got a heart rate sensor on the back of the watch, as you can see here. Let's keep this watch aside. And we have got a small snug pouch over here within the big pouch. Let's open this, and we have got the charging cable. And this is the Type A USB port, which we connect to our adapter or laptop or PC. We can connect this Type A cable. And this is the magnetic attachable charger. It just clips on. This is the magnetic wireless charger. As soon as we keep this, it clips on the back side of the watch. Now let's take a physical overview of this watch. As you can see here, this is the touchscreen display which we get with this EMPORIO Armani's smartwatch. And here is the rotating crown. You can just pinch, like you can just tap on it, or you can just rotate it to scroll. And these are two buttons, up and down buttons. And as you can see here, there is a secondary noise cancellation microphone over here and over here as well, as you can see. And there is a speaker over here. And at the back side of the watch, you can see the heart rate sensor and the magnetic charging strip over here. And the straps are detachable straps. These straps can be swapped, like you can swap these straps with leather ones. As you can see here, I'm just opening this. Like that, you can remove this and swap this metal strap with leather ones, or leather ones with metal strap. These are the two click buttons to open. You can see here. That fits nicely on our wrist. You can answer phone calls on this smartwatch. You can hear from the speaker. I'm just turning on. As you can see here, it's written EMPORIO Armani's connected. Yeah, here you go. Wear OS by Google. Tap to begin. As you can see here, it's asking us to select the language. You can just go to the language which you prefer. You can just scroll like this, or you can use the touch screen. I'm just going with the English United Kingdom. It's asking us to install this Wear OS app and connect to the smartwatch, and let's just quickly download the Google Wear OS on our smartphone. I've just downloaded the Google Wear OS, and now let's just quickly open the Wear OS. Exit. Yes, here is our watch. As you can scroll down, you can see the name of the watch. It's connecting to the smartwatch, as you can see here. As you can see here, click on pair. Now it got connected, showing that I'm all set, as you can see here. Let's just click on done like that. Yeah. As you can see here, I have the magnetic strip over here. Let's see how it works. You can see that it's charging 69%. That's it for now, guys.